If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. What's your all-time summer favorite? Some coolers or salads? Or did I hear shaved ice, Baraf ka Gola? Why not make these beauties at home? Being made at home, they are totally free of any chemicals or preservatives. And you know what goes in. Before the heat rises, let's start the making of shaved ice.
Please note the ingredients needed to make shaved ice or barf ka gola or chuski. List is also given in description below. First, we will make sweet mango or meetha aam the syrup. For that, we need 2 fully ripe mangoes or 2 pakke hue aam. Peel and chop the mangoes and put them in a saucepan on medium heat. Add sugar or chini. You may add more or less to your taste. And cook it on medium heat for about 3 minutes till they release some water. After that, cover and cook these mangoes for another 4 to 5 minutes till they are fully cooked and mushy like this. Now turn off the heat and let the mangoes cool down. After which we are going to make a puree of these mangoes. Add little water to adjust the consistency of the syrup. Now let's start making tangy blackberry or kala khatta syrup. For that, take washed blackberries in a saucepan. Although I am using the frozen blackberries today. Add in little sugar or chini. Sugar will enhance sour flavor. Cook while stirring constantly. Add in lemon juice or neembu ka ras. Add to your taste. I'm really making it sour. Also add in rock salt or black salt or kala namak. And cook till the blackberries are mushy. After that, cool and puree it. Now you can make syrups, the blackberry or the kala khatta syrup, sweet mango or the aam syrup, and keep in fridge and enjoy whenever you want them. Now let's make a shaved ice. Take ice cubes in a mixie or blender, pulse the ice and make it into snow. Now put that snow or shaved ice in your desired cups and pour over your syrup. So tangy blackberry and sweet mango. Enjoy both of these during hot summer days. The sweet one lifts you up and tangy flavor refreshes you. Enjoy them over sticks during hot days. Why not try this with lemonades also? Check the recipe in description below. Thanks for watching.